Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a review on Curlsmith Bond Curl Bonding Salve. Now I've been trying to find this product for a while and I went to like 3 Ultas and they were out. So I had to go to a different Ulta that's like a town away to find this product, and instead of getting one product I actually got the whole set right here. It is the Curlsmith Strength Superfood Protein Kit, and this is what it looks like. I have been looking for a product to help strengthen my hair, and also if I have any damage then it would help repair my hair. So in this kit here there is the Bond Curl Rehab Salve, the Feather Light Protein Cream, and the Bounce Strength Volume Foam. Not a really big fan of foam, but I am excited to try the Curl Salve and the protein cream, and the cream is a styler. So opening it up and everything, this is the foam that came in the kit. This is the Feather Light Protein Cream, and this is the product I've been looking for, the Bond Curl Rehab Salve. Now it's on the back of the kit box. It says that this strengthening pre-wash treatment contains a powerful blend of superfruits and unique active ingredients that target all three types of hair bonds that make up the hair structure. It can be used as a quick 10-minute treatment, or it can be applied for longer for a real curl rehab. So this is the main product that I was looking for. This product, let me see. It smells so good. It smells amazing. Now a lot of people on YouTube have been comparing this to the Olaplex number 3. I personally never used the Olaplex number 3. I actually just found out about it, to be honest. But then again, a lot of the Olaplex brand, a lot of the Olaplex products do contain silicone, except for number 3, which I think is really funny. But Curlsmith, you can always rely on Curlsmith to have good ingredients, organic, it's vegan, it's cruelty free, it has no silicones, no parabens, no sulfates and all that stuff in it. So when they came out with this line like 2 weeks ago, I was like, I gotta find out where this is so that I can try it, because I do straighten my hair once or twice a year. So if I do have any damage, this is supposed to help your hair get better from the inside out. And the fact that it's natural, I believe that it may work. And because of the fact that I straighten my hair, which you already see here, this product I don't mind incorporating into my wash day routine, just to make sure that my hair is retaining length, it's not breaking, and it's getting healthy at the same time. So this product has pressed chia seeds, it has mushrooms in it, it has prickled pear pulp, pumpkin seed oil, and kale in it. Let me see. And this bonding treatment is for weak, damaged hair. It makes your hair more resilient and protects your hair, and it creates bond stability, which is great because that's always good for your hair no matter what type of hair you have. You want to make sure if you do have damage, or if you are straightening your hair or putting any type of heat on your hair, you want to make sure you have a product to make sure that your hair doesn't break and you have like a setback. Nobody wants a setback. So this product right here, I'm eager to try. My hair has been straightened for a full month now. It is definitely time for a wash. So for the way that you're supposed to use this, okay, so on the back of the bottle it says how to feed your curls. Curlsmith Bond Curl Rehab Salve is not a conditioner. It is a lightweight, intense treatment that makes hair look stronger and more resilient. Apply generously on damp hair until it is fully saturated. Leave on your hair for 15 minutes minimum. Longer if desired, up to 1 hour. Rinse off thoroughly and follow with your favorite Curlsmith cleanser, conditioner, and stylers. So that's what I'm going to be doing today with this product here. And my hair, I haven't washed it or anything, so what I'm gonna do is actually jump in the shower and cleanse my hair, because some people say that you can go ahead and cleanse your hair and then use this after you cleanse your hair, and then you can deep condition and all of that. So that's what I'm gonna do, because I don't really want to take 2 showers and I don't feel comfortable with applying a product to dirty hair. So what I'm gonna do is jump in the shower, wash my hair, apply this, leave it on for 15 minutes, and then I'm going to jump back in the shower and rinse this out and follow up with a deep conditioner, and we'll see what happens. So stay tuned. Okay, so I just got out the shower. I just applied the Bond Curl Rehab Salve. I washed and conditioned my hair, and then I put it in my hair. So now they said to leave it in for a minimum of 15 minutes, but no more than an hour. So that's what I'm gonna do, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I left the Curl Bond Salve in my hair for probably about 45 minutes. So now I'm about to go rinse it out and apply my deep conditioner. I did put a plastic cap in my deep conditioning cap on too, just to make sure that it has a little bit of heat as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and rinse that out and apply my leave-in, and then I'll give you my final thoughts. So let me go do that and I'll be right back. Okay, so the whole process is completed. I will say that the Bond Curl Rehab Salve has amazing slip. It also smells really good. I didn't have to use too much when detangling and things like that. This is probably going to become a staple in my hair care routine, just because of the fact that it helps cure your hair from the inside out. So if there's any breakage or any type of damage based on whatever you're doing, like coloring your hair or straightening your hair or putting a lot of heat on your hair, I'm pretty sure that this will work. My hair, when I rinsed the Salve out of my hair did feel stronger. It smelled really good. The only thing I have in my hair right now is my leave-in conditioner, just to make sure that, since this has protein in it, I want to make sure that I have a moisture protein balance. So I do have a leave-in in my hair right now, just to make sure that it's moisturized. But this right here, I'm probably going to continue to repurchase this, because anything that is going to help your hair from being damaged and has protein in it and help rebuild the disulfide bonds in your hair from the inside out to make it healthier and lessen the breakage on your hair, that's always a good thing. I do feel like this can be used on all hair types as well. So this is a go for me. I love it. And it smells really good as well. On the back of the bottle, it does have a porosity test on there. It'll let you know like what you can do depending on if your hair is low porosity, medium porosity, or high porosity. So if your hair, it says spray water on clean product free hair. For low porosity, water forms droplets on the surface of the hair. Use bond curl every 2 to 3 washes. For medium porosity hair, use curl bond every other wash day. For high porosity, use curl bond every wash day. So I always love when Curlsmith put extra little tips and how to use the product and things like that on their bottle. They always do that, which is perfect. So I love this product. I will definitely continue to purchase this product. My hair does feel stronger. My hair smells really good. And I think it's doing really good for my hair. It's doing something good for my hair because like I said, I do straighten my hair once or twice a year. So I believe that this, I don't think that it's going to be like a one-stop shop, like one use and then you'll see like a huge difference. But I do feel like if you consistently use this, then you would see a dramatic difference in your hair, especially if it's damaged. So this is a go for me. I will definitely be repurchasing this again. So yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment down below if you've tried this before. This is a brand new product. It's only been out for like 2 weeks or so. This is not sponsored either. This is my honest opinion of this product. I'm always a sucker for a good product that smells good and has clean ingredients. So this is it. So go out and try it. I got mine from Ulta. I don't think that they're at Sephora or anything, but Ulta is where I got mine. So I would encourage you guys to go out and try it and see what it does for your hair. Like, subscribe, comment, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.